Hi guys, this is Lauren from Are They Ever Home, and we are staying the night, me and a group of friends, at the Sanderson Hotel in London. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour. Well, it's not so quick because the room is huge, as you can see, but I'm going to give you a room tour of this room and we will report back on our experience here at the Sanderson in London. Okay, so you arrive to the Penthouse Suite via a private elevator. You take the elevator to the 6th floor in the hotel, and then you take another private elevator up until floor 7, and you will arrive at the Penthouse Suite here at the Sanderson. So I'm basically staying with a group of friends tonight. We're going to see Moulin Rouge in the theatre, so yeah, we're really excited about that. So here we are in the Penthouse Suite at the Sanderson, and when you come in there is this huge living area, which is fab because we will be able to get ready and have drinks in here. So it's gorgeous. So there's lots of light coming in from both ends of the suite, which is lovely, and all these really soft foil curtains, so it keeps it nice, light and airy. And you know, they have some interesting features in here as well, which is lovely. So yeah, we've got the lounge area, got a really big TV here on the right, and they've also got a desk if you need to do some working, and they have a dining space here at the end. But yeah, it's beautiful, and I love how everything's so light and airy. It's really unusual to all the other places that we have stayed. So dining area and huge big living space, which is lovely. So the Penthouse Suite here has 2 bedrooms, 2 double bedrooms, which is great if you're staying with friends, which we are. It also has this little kitchen area here. So it has, yeah, I mean, we're definitely not cooking on this trip, but you know, it's got a nice little area that you can make your coffee in the morning, and a little fridge as well if you want to chill anything. So walking through, I will take you through to the first bedroom. Yeah, all these lovely soft foil curtains, I really like them. The one thing I like about these brands, we've stayed in St Martin's Lane before as well, and this is our first time here at the Sanderson, but they have all these little extras that you're able to buy and take home with you. What you'll notice when you check in is the scent or the smell of the hotel is gorgeous, and you can actually take home that scent. I've actually written a blog recently about, you know, bringing your holiday home with you, because so many hotels have their own signature scents these days, and you can, you know, take a Sanderson candle home with you. So this is the bathroom in one of the bedrooms. I'd say bedroom wise, this is maybe the smallest one, but certainly not small at all. So they have the sink and vanity area there, toilet, and what looks like a really fab pressure shower. Double bed here, and also they've got a little wardrobe space in here as well, with lots of other amenities as well. So there's slippers, hair dryer, more slippers, and again, things in case you forget them, so shaving foam, lovely robes there as well. We love a robe, and a gorgeous big fresh bed as well. So TV in both rooms as well, which is great. So I will now take you around to the other bedroom as well. So you need to walk back round. Again, lots of beautiful light in here, and I love this big rug. I love the colours in it, and all the little, you know, unique decorations they've got here as well. So this is what I would say would be the master suite in the Penthouse Suite. So again, they've got the sleigh beds, which is a Sandman signature. So sleigh bed, and the best bit about this room is the bathroom. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I research my trips and my hotels based on the bathroom, because I love a bath, and look how cool this bath is. How nice is that? So unique as well. So I brought some bath goodies with me as well, but they've also got some lovely toiletries there that you can use. But yeah, I cannot wait to get in that tub later. They've got a double sink vanity in this bathroom as well, and they've also got a nice shower bathroom, which I don't need to see, but one of these lovely showers as well. So yes, I am excited to get in that bath. But yeah, the suite is beautiful here. It's a lovely hotel, really central for everything. But yeah, we're delighted. Last thing in this room is like almost like a walk-in wardrobe, so there's plenty of hanging space, lots of shelves there again with lots of little amenities in case you've left anything at home. And there's also a desk here. But yeah, we're delighted and we're really looking forward to spending a night at the Penthouse Suite here at the Sanderson. It's a really lovely hotel and they have took really good care of us so far. So yes, this is the Penthouse Suite at the Sanderson Hotel in London.